How's it going, YouTubers? I'm going to do a little video on how to bench start a small diesel engine. This is a 3-cylinder diesel Kubota. It's a D662E, came out of a Jacobson Tri-King mower, I believe is what it's called. I'll start out right here. I'll show you how to hook up the starter. You actually hook up the starter solenoid, not the starter. So you run a 12-volt positive to your starter solenoid. The one that is not connected to the starter. The one that's connected to the starter is what feeds your starter after the solenoid closes in, which is fed by this pin right here on top, which is 12 volts also. And it runs down here to the batteries. And I've just got this switch right here that little lead on the solenoid is hooked to, so there's no juice running to the solenoid right now. When I push the switch, of course it'll close. And then on the fuel side, I just kind of got it rigged up right now. You can see I got a 5-gallon fuel can, about filled up with diesel fuel. Got a line run over here to the end on the mechanical fuel pump. Here it comes out to the injection pump. There's your injectors. It comes up here. There's your injectors going in. It's coming out of your injection pump into your engine. This is a excess fuel overflow. It comes around back to your can. Okay. Gotta remember that, otherwise you're gonna have fuel squirt out right here. You may have to bleed the air out of the system. So you'd want to start where it comes into your injection pump. And then you can start at the injection pump where it comes out. You can hit 1, 2, 3. And go up here and you start at the shortest one. So the line that is the shortest going back to the injection pump, you crack it first, tighten it back up just till a little bit of fuel comes out, then tighten it back up, repeat and repeat. Okay, so that's pretty much got that. I don't have any water hooked up to it, don't have my radiator hooked up to it. We're not going to run it that long where it's going to get hot. I'm going to show you how to crank it up and show you the throttle, because the first time I started I didn't know how to kill it. I said, oh crud, had to pull the fuel line off and ran it dry and had to bleed it again. So I figured out that right here, this is the throttle, this is the kill switch. Okay, pretty simple. Here we go. Shut down. I picked this motor up to use on a sawmill. I'm going to try my luck at building a portable band sawmill, cut up some logs. So as that progresses, I'll make more videos and I'll post what I learn and mistakes I've learned and things I did right. Alright, well, good luck. If you have any questions, just give me an email and like my video. Like I said, there was several that showed them starting a diesel engine on the ground or on a bench. I couldn't really find anything detailed that showed anything about how to actually hook it up, so it took me a little while. But I mean, it's pretty simple. Ask a few questions and you'll find a lot of stuff out. I've seen some of them I think had an electronic fuel pump over here. this small one's only got a mechanical, so it actually works really good. I'm surprised. I paid $200 for it, so they're out there. Beats paying $200 for a used, 11 horse Honda. I've got a 19 horse Kubota that has tons of torque and shouldn't have a problem turning the band on the bandsaw. Like I said, like my video if you like it. If you don't, leave me a comment. Tell me what I can do better. Oh, right here, glow plugs. You may have to take you could take the same lead that you use for your starter solenoid, and you could bump it and just hold it to that glow plug right here. They're all tied together. If you hold it to that one, turn your switch on, and keep those glow plugs up for 30, 45 seconds, 60 seconds. If you're in a cold climate. I'm not in a cold climate, I'm in Georgia. I don't need to keep my glow plugs up most of the time. Alright, thanks for watching.